Hey there! Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many developers face when working with nested state in React. So let's dive right into it. Problem: have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to update a nested state object, but struggle to figure out how to do it without breaking things? Well, fret not, because we've got you covered. Solution. The solution is actually quite simple, yet it might seem a bit tricky at first glance. What you need to do is to carefully locate the specific year, month, and day that you want to update, and then modify the isCompleted property to true. But remember, when updating state in React, you should never mutate the state directly. To implement this solution, you can make use of a function that takes the selected data as input and then uses that information to find and update the corresponding nested state object. By doing this, you ensure that your state remains immutable and your app stays in a good shape. Remember, it's always important to handle state updates in a way that maintains the integrity of your data and keeps your React components in sync with the underlying state. So, the next time you find yourself dealing with nested state updates in React, just follow these steps and you'll be good to go. And there you have it, a straightforward solution to a common problem in React development. I hope you found this information helpful and that it makes your coding journey a bit smoother. Well, it's time to wrap up this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding, and may your bugs be minimal, just like my coffee breaks. See you in the next one.